welcome back to my channel. This is a vlog of preparing for our trip. We're going to Florida, y'all, and we are in a crunch right now. Like, we actually leave out today and we're in a time crunch. Like, we need to be, it is 4:49 and we need to be on the road by 12 o'clock so that we can be there for check-in, which is at 4, but we won't get there maybe about 6 something. Okay, Kayla, you gotta put your shoes on, Mama. Mari, did you brush your teeth?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, you brush your face good?
Mama,
On your nose.
Mama,
You look so cute. Oh my goodness. Y'all, my daughter looking so cute. Look, hi.
Hey.
Lily, say hi.
Hi, today this is my dinner birthday.
It's nobody's birthday, baby. We just going on our family summer vacation today, y'all. And now I need to get Michaela dressed. And y'all, we about to leave this mother freaking room a mess. But I come back to it. I clean it up. But y'all, right now we about to get ready to leave out. I'm so excited. And we originally was gonna be driving 2 cars because they didn't have any 15 or 12 passenger cars. But today when we went in there to go get both compact cars, they ended up having one van for us, a 15 passenger. So y'all, we got a 15 passenger and your girl ain't gotta drive. I can be a passenger princess, baby, and that's the plan. You baby girl, so extra cute.
Baby, you're so cute. Hello, baby. I want your shirt. I want your shirt, makeup.
There we go.
Wow,
Wow, beautiful. Wow. Say dada. Say look at me, daddy.
Whoa.
Yeah, he really messed his lip up.
And you wait right before we see the G-Mods.
Right before it. Like, come on, man.
Praise up.
Okay, I'm using my bag.
Hey, baby, go.
No, ain't no go, baby, go.
all time.
Some lotion.
Lily, can you throw this in the trash for mommy?
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Take some of this lotion, cuz.
What the? This thing got all kind of pockets.
Oh, I said that on my live, about 7 to 10 compartments.
That's what I'm talking about.
We done lost it in there.
You know, I like that. I like when it got a lot of different compartments. I just feel like if it got more compartments, it can hold more. All right, y'all, so we had to make a pit stop. Everybody had to, well, a couple people had to use the bathroom, so that's what we're gonna do. And we need to get something to eat because we haven't eaten anything, and it is here at 12:04. Yeah, so that's what we're about to do now. We are letting some of the kids use the bathroom and our moms. And we are about to get ready to get something to eat, probably at the Taco Bell. And we don't have any signal over here yet. I ain't got no signal. My phone say SOS. Yours say the same thing?
I got my water.
No. And we on the same service, so I'm gonna ask them what's up with
Might as
that.
well get some gas while I'm here.
Might as well. So we ain't gotta stop no more. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited, but this is a long drive. It is 7 hours at that 6 hours that we was talking about turned to 7 hours when we put the address in. So I was like, oh goodness.
This car.
But yeah, y'all, so I want to save my battery because I still need to buy another charger to go to the car.
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
So y'all, we just arrived at the house and this is the house tour. I'm about to show y'all what we looking like, and y'all, it is so nice. Okay, when you walk up, of course you put the code in, you walk in. Wow. Y'all, the entryway is so beautiful, and then we got a room here as soon as we walk in. Oh, where the light at? The light don't want to come on. But y'all, the light ain't coming on, but it is beautiful. I know it's kind of dark. I don't know why the light ain't coming on in here. But it got its closet and all that good stuff. And then we're gonna go over here. Back it up, back it up. This is the garage. They got a garage. Ain't much to see down here. But it's pretty big. Then what else? Oh, there's a laundry room. Good storage. Pretty good storage. Better than what I have now. Got a hamper. Come on guys. Let's get out of here.
Okay.
And then we have another door right here. And this is another bathroom. Well, the first bathroom actually. And it's actually a full bathroom with a shower. Okay, and then to the left here, we have this beautiful dining room. Let me see if I can turn the light on, y'all. It's so beautiful. The dining room is beautiful. I can't wait till we eat at this table together. Entryway, beautiful. It's beautiful, y'all. It's so beautiful. Y'all come out that room. Then it has an upstairs, but before we go upstairs, it's the living room. High ceilings. Ooh, I love this. Big sitting area. It's a bag down here in the living room. I mean, down here on this table. Couch is beautiful. I don't know, I ain't checked.
Freaking door, man.
Then this is the kitchen. Beautiful refrigerator.
That's a little sir. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's enough box for us to cook.
Okay, good. All right. And then this here would be my room for the time being. It's beautiful, y'all. All right, and then we have the bathroom here. Bathroom is beautiful. Now look at the tub. I cannot wait to get in this tub. And it has the toilet area. And then it has the standing shower. And then I think this is like a, oh, that's locked. So we know not to mess with that. But yeah, the bathroom is beautiful. I'm gonna take you on upstairs. Yes. Not yet. Okay, then we're going up the stairs. Okay, and this will be the room that my mommy is staring in. It's nice, it's nice. I'm gonna have to cut the lamps on because it's kind of dark in here, but it's nice. Let me see. The closet. Woo! Too cute. Get off that, baby. Y'all look at the lamps. The lamps, it's like little homes. It's so cute. And then the other one is just like it.
Wait, Mama. Mommy's not going to.
Come on.
And nobody. What the?
Come on, Kai. Close that. Okay, and let's go to the next room. I think this one is the bathroom.
Yes.
I love the bright yellow, the pop color. And you know, it's a normal bathroom. Come on, y'all. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay, then we have this room here. And this is where my boys will be. Oh, bunk beds. I love them, and I love the Mickey Mouse theme. Y'all, it's so beautiful. Now, the only thing is my boys don't have a TV because we're big on watching TV while in the bed and before bed. Put that down, Makai. You on the phone, man? Come in. Come on, baby. Bye-bye, come in. Come on. Come on. Come here, come here. We got one more room, baby. You gonna come with mommy? Come on. And then this is where my girls are gonna sleep at. It's beautiful. A beautiful frozen girls room. Like, y'all just look at the thin wall. And I wish the light was brighter in here, but it's not. And they also have a TV in here where they can watch TV as well. You about to watch TV, Kai? You about to turn the TV on, man? Look what you did to your hair. Why did you do that? Why did you do that, big man? It's okay, mommy can fix it. Come on, let's put the remote control down. And we're gonna go on out here and go back downstairs.
Where did it go?
I say the only thing I don't like about the rooms is that they're pretty dark. They don't have a lot of lighting, but I guess maybe it fits the theme of the room. But it's beautiful. Look at the wall. Come on. Get off of that, mommy. Okay, y'all, come on. Come on. So now we're gonna go see the pool area, y'all. I mean, it's dark outside. I don't know how much you can see it, but I might just get it in the daytime if it's too dark right now. So come on, baby. Hold on, let's go put this back. Let's go put this back. Come on. You seen a squirrel? Hold up, y'all. Look at this view. Hold up, come here. The look downstairs, y'all. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. Come here. What are you doing? And like I said, I don't know if y'all be able to see the outside. Let me see if there's some light out here. Oh, look at the pool light up. Oh my God. It's beautiful. I'm doing my video real quick. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me do my video. I'll bring you out in a minute. Ooh, yes. A sitting area. I know how to find them, don't I?
So was your place was similar to us, but it wasn't no two-story, right? Or your
BLL. Ours was a apartment.
Oh.
Yeah, we didn't have a house now.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Y'all look at the lizard up there. He on the outside, 2 of them.
It's 3 on there.
Oh, hold on now.
And then a squirrel was like that lily coming out.
Oh, Look at how beautiful the pool is when it's lit up at night, y'all. We can get in this pool at night, baby. Ooh. Y'all got cash? Be careful. I mean, I turned the light on, y'all. Look how beautiful it is. I don't want to go all the way over there yet. But yeah, I love this. I'll probably show it again in the morning, in the daytime. But it says it's supposed to rain, y'all. But I cannot wait to get inside this water. Come on, it's outside. They can't get in. All right, y'all. Today is day 2 of being in Florida. And y'all, we've been having a good time so far. But this morning we have planned the tree themed adventure park, and I think it's gonna be fun, y'all, because I think we're gonna actually zip line. So y'all see when we get there, and I just cannot wait. I'm gonna show my kids something different. But right now we're about to get some breakfast going and get something in our belly before we get out here and have an adventurous day.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All you wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
For an adventure, not talking about my black socks because I didn't bring any socks, so I had to use some my husband's socks. So yeah, this what we wearing. We got an adventure. Took the hair, put it in a bowl. Okay. Yeah, so we gotta have a good time, honey. All right, y'all, so we just arrived to the Tree Trek Adventure Park. We're getting our baby settled in. Come on, Makai. Y'all, we're about to get the baby settled in. Y'all, we're about to get in here and get some stuff popping, honey. You ready? You ready for this? Yeah. You ready for this? Come in. He smiled. Oh. We have to do waivers.
Yeah.
Okay, over here. You got the babies, I do them. Okay. Everybody's getting harnessed up.
Okay, that's all right. You can't be too much hand for you. got two granny boo-boos. With all her glitter all over the place. Who you think there?
I'm gonna leave keys.
What about if she wanted something to eat or all that?
We gotta buy it.
It just take 2 full scoops.
Just 2?
Mm-hmm.
And then, I mean,
Not right now. ready for it, babe?
I don't know.
Whew. All right, y'all. So look, we got the harness on, and we are heading to the demo spot now. Y'all, we about to have some fun. My baby is nervous. Huh?
I don't want to carry this thing.
Well, we all got to carry it. You see? Come on, get up here in front of me. So hold it in your hand.
I want you guys to try to reach for them. So you have these bungee cables. If you pull them, it'll come straight to you.
Okay.
And then there's going to be these two ring or soda cap looking rings. They have magnets at the bottom of them. So that's obviously where your clickets are going to click onto. So I'm going to take one clicket, put it on there. Then take my other clicket and put it on the other ring. Once I'm fully good,
Mama, you got it. It's okay, keep going. Yes, you can. Climb. Take your time. Don't look down. You want to fall?
No.
You're not hooked up yet. We got to wait till we hook you up, okay? Okay, give me a second. I'm about to get it right. I'm not. Okay, y'all, so we just finished our course. We stopped midway because Mari got extra scared, but y'all, she did amazing. Like, she did a really good job. What I admire most is that she kept going even though she was really scared until she just couldn't take it anymore. Like, she cried in the middle of a course and all, but she still pursued it and she went through it. Y'all, she did good. Mar, you enjoyed it? But yeah, we're coming to check on Dad. Okay. You enjoy it, babe? Mm-hmm.
My thing isn't on it properly.
just swing your other leg.
Yeah, so yeah, that was really fun. I had a good time. I like the thrill that it gives you. Give you a little adrenaline rush a little bit. It was pretty cool. All right, y'all, we're back up here about to check on my mama, my mother-in-law, my babies, and take these harnesses off.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. I beat these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep.